In today's video, we uncover the untold story of Funke Akindele. Funke Akindele, a prominent Nigerian actress, producer, and entrepreneur, has made significant contributions to the entertainment industry. Here is an overview of her history and career. Early life and education. Funke Akindele was born on August 24, 1977 in Ikorodu, Lagos State, Nigeria. She attended Grace Children's School in Gbagada, Lagos, and then went to Lagos State Model College, Igbokuta. Funke earned a diploma in mass communication from Moshood Abiola Polytechnic and later obtained a law degree from the University of Lagos. Career beginnings. Funke started her career in the entertainment industry in the late 90s. Her first notable role was in the sitcom I Need to Know, 1998 to 2002. A United Nations Population Fund UNFPA sponsored series aimed at educating young people on HIV/AIDS and other social issues. Breakthrough and fame. Jennifer, Funke's breakthrough role came in 2008 with the release of the film Jennifer, in which she played the lead character. The film was a massive success and led to several sequels, including Jennifer's Diary, a popular TV series that started in 2015. Jennifer's Diary has won numerous awards and accolades. Award and recognition. Funke Akindele has won numerous awards throughout her career, including the Africa Movie Academy Award for Best Actress in a Leading Role in 2009 for her role in Jennifer. She has also won multiple awards at the Africa Magic Viewers' Choice Award (AMVCA), Business Ventures and Production, Scene 1 Production. In addition to acting, Funke is also a producer. She runs Scene 1's Productions, a film production company, and has produced several successful movies and TV series. Other ventures. Funke is involved in various business ventures, including endorsement deals with major brands. Personal life. Funke Akindele married Nigerian rapper JJC Skills Abdulrasheed Bello in 2016. The couple welcomed twin boys in 2018. Philanthropy. Funke is also known for her philanthropic efforts, supporting various causes and contributing to community development. Recent works and continued success. Funke continues to be active in the film industry, starring in and producing various movies and TV shows. She remains one of the most influential figures in Nigerian entertainment. Funke Akindele's impact on the Nigerian entertainment industry is significant. She has inspired many young actors and filmmakers and continues to be a role model through her work and achievements. Funke Akindele's career spans over 2 decades, showcasing her versatility and dedication to her craft. She remains a key figure in Hollywood and continues to contribute to the growth and global recognition of Nigerian cinema. Please kindly subscribe for more updates from Real Brain TV.